You ever have this amazing skill, right? Something you're just dying to share with people, but then the thought of actually organizing it all just feels like way too much work? Well, today we're going to check out an app that wants to completely change that game, connecting you with your neighbors like never before. Let's dive in. Just think about it for a second. Maybe you're a fantastic yoga instructor. Maybe you're a pro baker. Or maybe you're a chess master. You've got this skill you'd love to share, but getting the word out, handling all the logistics, it feels like a monumental task, doesn't it? And yeah, that's really the heart of the problem. All of a sudden, you have to be a marketer, a payment processor, and a community organizer, all at the same time. Honestly, it's enough to make you just drop a great idea before you even get started. But what if technology could just strip away all those headaches? Just get rid of them, leaving you with nothing but the joy of sharing your skill. Well, that is the promise of the solution we're looking at today, hyperlocal connection. So, say hello to Kmunty. It's an all-in-one social app that's designed to do all that heavy lifting for you. The whole concept is super simple. It lets anyone with a skill or hobby find an audience for it, all within this really tight local radius. To really see how this works, let's walk through a little story. Let's see how a class gets born, from the point of view of both the person creating it and the person who joins it. Okay, so this is James. He's a really experienced yoga instructor. With just a few taps on his phone, he puts in the class details, the time, the price, the location. He hits create, and boom, just like that, his event is live and ready for his neighbors to find. 10 miles. That's the magic number here. The app's entire engine is built around this idea. See, it's not about just shouting into the giant void of the internet and hoping someone hears you. Nope. This is about whispering to the people who are, literally right around the corner. So, because James created his class, the app automatically sends out this GPS-based notification. And over here, we have Mary. She lives nearby, she's into yoga, and a notification just popped up on her phone. No marketing flyers, no social media ads. The connection is already happening just like that. Mary taps on that notification, and immediately she sees James's class. She can check out the time, see the location on a map, the price, the description. Everything she could possibly need to make a decision is right there. It's all clear, it's all simple. Now, finding the class is just the first step, right? For these connections to really work, the logistics, especially payments, have to be completely seamless and trustworthy. So let's look at how the app handles that whole journey, from payment to payout. Here's where you see that seamless financial loop in action. Mary pays securely, right inside the app, and instantly, James sees the new sign-up and the processed payment pop up in his earnings dashboard. It's all transparent, it's secure, and it's completely handled for both of them. And this division of labor is the app's real superpower. Creators like James can focus on what they actually love doing, sharing their passion and creating a great experience. Meanwhile, the app is in the background handling all the heavy lifting, the marketing, the secure payments, and finding the local people for you. And the connection doesn't just stop when the class is over. The app has a chat feature built right in, so participants and instructors can stay in touch, ask questions, maybe plan for the next session. It's really about building an actual community, not just making a one-time transaction. This quote really gets to the heart of the whole philosophy here. In a world that is so full of digital noise, the entire goal is to be a tool that fosters what really matters: genuine human interaction. So, James and Mary's story is just one little example. Let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger vision. Because this is about way more than just an app. It's really a mission to change how we all interact with our local world. It all boils down to this really powerful trio: teach, learn, and earn. The app gives you a platform to teach whatever skill you have. It lets anyone in your community learn something new, and it empowers local people to earn an income from the things they're passionate about. The mission is to use technology not to pull us away from our local world, but to plug us right back into it. It's about rebuilding our local ecosystems by empowering individuals, by bridging that gap between our digital lives and our physical neighborhoods, and in the end, building much stronger community bonds. And getting started is designed to be as simple as it gets. It's really just 3 steps. Fill out your profile, verify your number with a quick code, and you're in. That's it. From there, you're ready to explore what your neighborhood has to offer, or maybe create something of your own. In a world that can feel more and more disconnected, a tool like this really puts the power of community right back into our hands. So the final question isn't really about the app at all. It's about you. What skill do you have to share? And what local connection will you make?